Hi there, Sanna here today again. Today I would like to show you some fabric-based products that I gathered from my stash that should work with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists. And I'm again using the same colors like on my previous videos. I've got the aquamarine, these are all glimmer mists like I said, and the pink poodle, icicle blue, sorry, and the gold. And these are products, some of them are from the Canvas Corporation's online store and some are from my stash. And let me first go through what I have here, and then on the second part of this fabric-based video you will see the misted results, and you will see how I mist them and what happens with the product, so it will be give you an idea what to do and how to mist them, or if I do something wrong you will learn from that too. And so we will be testing these products. First, let's start with this. So this is just a basic normal sewing yarn that I have in my stash. So it's white, so I always like to pick white or lighter colors so you can see the glimmer mist tones better on them. So this would be the first one. This is just a bundle of sewing thread. And then next I have here, this is bandage padding, which should be, I think it's partly cotton and partly synthetic, and it has a little bit stretch in there, so we'll see how that works. It should actually work really well. Then I have a piece of leather. This is from a perfume bottle. I saved it for this video. And then I have some burlap in yellow. This is from Canvas Corporation store, and neutral one, so this has a kind of sand creamy tone that we will test. Then I have a printed piece of canvas that we will mist too. Then I have some mistable cotton kind of ribbon. It has this pattern in it already, so it's already been cut into this form. This was really trendy a few years back, and I think this is from Prima. Then I have some seam binding also in white. Then I have some ribbon. This is linen based ribbon, has a different structure to it, so that should also work, so we will just test. This is I think this is partly silk, so at least a piece of a percentage of this ribbon has silk in it, that we will try to. Then I have normal lace, just regular cotton lace. I think this is cotton, feels like it at least. Then I have some velvet ribbon, we'll see how that goes. Then some synthetic mixed ribbon, so I think this is cotton with, I don't know, something synthetic in there. Also in white. Then I think this is organza ribbon, has a shiny surface to it. Then this rickrack ribbon, this is got cotton. Then I have cotton rope. Then I have this used old rope that feels like, I don't know, hemp maybe. Then I have this Canvas Corporation's rope. I can't remember the name. I will add it to the video when I edit this, but this is from the store. Then some cotton in neutral tone. Then some cotton ribbon, also from the Canvas Corporation store. I will add the correct names of these products to the finished video, so you can look them up if you need to look, if you want to buy some of these from the store. Then I have these, I think these are from Prima Marketing, I can't remember. And these have a resist surface on them. These are sticky back. So this is basically a sticky back canvas piece with a resist surface in there, which will show up when you mist it, and an adhesive on the back. We will do these. And then these are from Basic Grey. This is just a basic piece of canvas printed with some. This one is pink. This is from, I think this is from Jelly Bean Studio. Jelly Bean, I don't know. And this is also, this has a paper backing and a canvas on top, and it is patterned, and this we will try too. Then I have some kind of fabric. This is a fabric flower. I don't know. This is not pure canvas, pure cotton, so this is a mixture, but I don't know to what percentage, what kind of fabrics in there, but we will mist that and see what happens. Then I've got some knitting wool, because I didn't have any wool as a fabric to mist. So I took some knitting wool that should do the trick. Then I've got some twine and canvas flag. This is also from the Canvas Corporation store. Then I have, I don't know, this is lace and maybe a silk flower. I don't know, probably. This is from Prima. This white is nice to put a little color on it. These are, I think these were Hattie Swap flowers back, way back. These you can also mist. Then I've got some felt. Where did I put another piece? I thought I'd try this one. I don't know if it works. I've got this felt bunny here. And then I've got a piece of yellow felt. So we will see how that goes. Then I picked, this is an adhesive fabric strip. So it's basically the same like the green flower I showed you previously. But this is a little bit thinner. So it has a fabric surface with an adhesive on the back. We will try that one too. Then I've got a flower here with some tulle and cotton. And this looks like it's paper, but cannot tell really exactly what that is. That we will try too. Then I've got a piece of fabric from the Canvas Corporation store. This is a vintage banner, and I think it's a canvas. It's printed to it, so that will be nice to do. Then I've got some cotton lace. This is from, I don't know, from my grandma's or really old. Then I've got some patterned ribbon. These are flowers. It's cotton, I think. Then I've got some tulle, which has some glitter in there. This will turn out really nice. Then I've got a fabric bag. I think this is cotton or a linen cotton mixture. Then I've got flannel from an old shirt. And then some cotton with some stretch in there, some, I don't know, this is a mixture, so this is a little bit linen and cotton and whatever mixed in there, some more flannel, cotton, blue one I thought for contrast, then some polyester cotton mixture I think, another flannel one with a nice pattern in there. So basically just fabric scraps that I saved for something. This is from a shirt, a men's shirt, and then I've got a piece of canvas, untreated canvas. This has no gesso on it, so it's the canvas fabric as it is. These are from the Canvas Corporation store. And then finally I have some mistable fabrics sticker shapes. These are from Studio Calico. Also these go a few years back from my subscription at their store. So this is what I've chosen for my fabric part. So we will see how all these materials react with the glimmer mists, how the surface reacts to the misting, and if the glitter comes off. Or one thing I would like to point out at this point is that when I'm misting these fabrics, I have the purpose. I'm going to use these only on my paper crafting and mixed media and altered projects, not on anything that I'm going to be washing in the washing machine later, because that is not going to work. So only for art and craft projects, not for anything you're going to wash later. So let's get started.